5W30, the 5VZ-FE 3.4 liter takes about 5.5 quarts. And then here's the Toyota part number oil filter. It's 90915-YZZD1. What's up, YouTube? Quick videos. I just wanted to show you what I use to change the oil and filter on my 3rd gen 4Runner. I go with this stuff. I just have been using this for the longest time, and I feel like it's a good middle ground. It's the synthetic blend for high mileage. 5W30, the 5VZ-FE 3.4 liter takes about 5.5 quarts. And then here's the Toyota part number oil filter, which I only use Toyota genuine filters. It's 90915-YZZD1. Hope that helps so you don't have to Google. I'll put links down below for a bunch of Toyota and 3rd gen 4Runner stuff. So I'll put OEM parts and non-OEM parts and a ton of goodies down there. So check out the links down below.
3rd gen, best gen.